we have some conditions for similarity of two triangles. Like you have given one triangle A, B and C, and other triangle D, E and F. D, E and F. Here we have angle A, here we have angle D. Now look, if one angle of a triangle is equal to any other angle of that particular next triangle, the sides including the equal angles are in proportion. Now look, if one angle of a triangle is equals to any other angle, maybe A equals to D, maybe A equals to F, maybe A equals to E. If one angle of triangle is equals to any angle of the other triangle, and in both the triangles sides including the equal angles, the sides including this angle are AB and AC, the sides including this angle are DE and DF, DE and DF, then the sides including the equal angles are in proportion, then the triangles are similar. Triangles are similar. Look, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equals to angle D. So sides including this angle, two sides including this angle are AB, and here DE equals to AC, and this side DF. So we have one angle equal, we have two sides equal. We have two sides equal, AB equals to DE or AC is equals to DF, means they are in proportion. So we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by SAS, side angle. So we have to take those sides which are including the angles which are equals to each other. So in this case we can say that triangles are similar. Similarly, if angle B equals to angle E, if angle B is equals to angle E, so angle B include sides AB and BC. So we can say that AB upon ED is equals to BC upon EF. So in this case also triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. It means we have to take those sides which include the angle, which include the equal angles. So by SAS you can prove that two triangles are similar. Now come to second condition. Second condition is there, if two triangles have at least two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. At least means like if you have given three angles, so two should be equal, three can also be equal. If A equals to D, B is equals to E, right? So if in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, then triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, similar to triangle DEF by the postulate AA or AAA. If three angles are equal or minimum two angles are equal, so we can say that triangles are similar. Now third condition, if two triangles have three pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion, like you have given one triangle A, B and C, other triangle is P, Q and R. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR, equals to AC upon PR. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR when we have SS condition. So we have to recapitulate that two triangles are said to be similar in three conditions if we have side and including angle equal. In the second case, when we have at least two angles are equal, three can also be there. And third condition is that when corresponding sides are in proportion. So S, S and S. If these three criteria are satisfied by two triangles, we can say that triangles are similar. So by using this concept, we will discuss the questions related to similar triangles.